Hello children, hope you all fine at home. Children, today we are going to do the lesson Karnataka Sampada. We will learn the lesson about Karnataka Sampada. This is our last chapter, children. This is our last chapter. After this, we will finish our portions and 2 supplementary reading are there that I will do next class. Children, Karnataka Sampada. This chapter is about Karnataka and Karnataka's past glory and today's development and environment's wealth. Environment's wealth is described in this chapter, and it also deals with many great things. It also deals with many great things. You have to read this. You should read this lesson, children. Then only you can understand the lesson. It's very important lesson because for essay also one topic Karnataka, about Karnataka they will ask about Karnataka. This is one of the main less important lesson. We'll see what and all are there in the lesson. Karnataka is one of the developing states in India and its population is around 6 crores. 6 crore means above around 6 crores. It is glorified with its environmental beauty, and Karnataka is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, and Western Ghats in the south, and the Sahyadris and Nilgiris mountain ranges also. Sahyadri कहलाता है दक्षिण में, दक्षिण means south, नीलगिरी की पर्वत वालियां शोभायमान है means it's a very beautiful mountain ranges. And next para, Kannada is spoken in Karnataka and its capital is Bengaluru. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. People from several countries have settled in Bengaluru. From other countries, people settled in Bengaluru. And Bengaluru is not only famous for education, children, but also it's famous for great industries. I think you know about many great industries are there in Bangalore only. Famous, not only industries and famous institutions are there. Famous institutions, science and technology institutions, many institutions are there. Some example they gave here. Which and all they gave, HAL, like that. Many industries name they are mentioned. Indian Institute of Science, IISc, and HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, HMT. HMT, this is very important abbreviations. You should learn HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools, and ITI, Indian Telephone Industries, and BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. And not only this much, children, बहुत संस्थाएं means it's many are there. Many more industries are located in Bengaluru. So only Bengaluru is called Silicon City. Bengaluru is called Silicon City. In next paragraph, they gave many scientists as well as literatures, their names. Legends like C.V. Raman Sir, M. Vishweshwaraya and Dr. C.N.R. Rao, Dr. Shakuntala Devi have contributed to science and technology. Yeah, वैज्ञानिक तथा प्राद्योगिक क्षेत्र में means science and technology. They contributed to science and technology. Mr. Narayan Murthy has honored in the field of information technology, and Dr. C.N.R. Rao honored with the Bharat Ratna. C.N.R. Rao honored with the Sarvocha Puraskar Bharat Ratna means honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest award in 2013. In 2013, the honored he has honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest award. And in next, they gave some about the information about the minerals, children. Karnataka is rich in minerals like gold, brass, iron, and several useful minerals. And Bhadravati has the paper, iron, and steel industry. And Karnataka has not only this industry, has sugar, cement, and silk industry also. Sugar, cement, chini, cement, resham in silk. Silk and paper industry also. And in Karnataka has more, Chandan means sandal, children, more number of sandalwood trees. So our Karnataka is called Sri Gandhada Nadu, sandalwood state. Chandan ka पेड़ विपुल मात्रा में, बहुत पेड़ means more number of sandalwood trees. So only Karnataka is called Chandan ka agar, means sandalwood state. And sandalwood oil, soap and articles are manufactured in Karnataka. Children. This much over. Now we will stop here. This is part 1. We will continue from the Karnataka about rivers, children, because otherwise you can't understand. You learn and read till page number 129, first till first paragraph enough. You learn and understand, children. Today we will stop. Thank you.